All right, so let's be honest. The job market right now is changing, and it's changing fast. Full-time roles are becoming harder to find, hiring timelines are longer, and AI is replacing tasks across nearly every industry. So for the future of work, I feel like it's going to be contract-based, and you won't be asked, where do you work? But instead, you'll be asked, what do you offer? So here are 5 contract job categories ranked from lowest to highest demand over the next 5 years, and what you can start doing right now to secure your spot in the future economy. Number 5, beauty and wellness professionals. Beauty isn't going anywhere, but the structure of it is changing. People want on-demand in-home beauty and wellness services. Think of mobile facials, lash fills at your place, or traveling massage therapy. Apps like StyleSeat, Booksy, and Gloss Genius are already helping professionals book clients directly without traditional salons. So what will change in 2030? More clients will expect flexible in-home service. AI will handle scheduling, payment, and reminders. Wellness experiences will be packaged more like subscriptions than services. So what can you start doing right now to prep for beauty and wellness professionals? List your services on booking platforms. I feel like a lot of people are currently doing that right now. You can also offer package deals or monthly membership style services. Focus on local SEO and hyper-local content. Think of lashes in San Diego or mobile facials in Atlanta. Start collecting reviews. It will be your digital resume. I can't say that loud enough. Start collecting reviews. Number 4, real estate professionals, agents, leasing consultants, and virtual brokers. So real estate will always be relevant, but the agent role is evolving fast. Between AI property valuations and even blockchain closings, buyers are doing more of the heavy lifting online. By 2030, real estate agents will look more like digital advertisers or neighborhood content creators. So what will change? Buyers will expect near instant responses. AI will help with that. Local knowledge plus content equals your value. Virtual closings will be the norm. Some people will tour homes entirely online with VR and never step inside. So what can you start doing right now? Start getting familiar and learning tools like Matterport, Zillow's Showing Time, and ChatGPT for listing descriptions. Make YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reels breaking down neighborhoods, not just houses. Position yourself as a specialist. First-time buyers, veterans, relocators, etc. Start creating digital downloads like what to know before buying a house in Houston to build trust and leads. Number 3, content support roles. Video editors, podcast editors, thumbnail designers, repurposers. Every brand is a media company now. I'm going to repeat that again. Every brand is a media company now. Even your local realtor or gym owner, but they don't want full-time editors. They want contractors they can call on. This is where creative digital trades come in. So what will grow by 2030? Demand for podcast editors, short creators, and repurposing specialists. Small creators hiring part-time help to grow. Agencies outsourcing to freelancers. AI will assist, but not fully replace creativity. So what can you start doing right now? Learn CapCut, Descript, or Premiere Rush. Personally, I use CapCut. You can offer clip editing, repurposing YouTube to TikTok, or thumbnail creation. Create 2 to 3 mock-up samples if you don't have clients. Reach out to small creators, not influencers, offering starter packages. Build a Notion or Canva portfolio to showcase what you do quickly. Number 2, digital educators and skill sharers. This includes course creators, workshop hosts, ebook writers. So as you know, degrees are becoming less powerful than proof. By 2030, people won't care about your resume. They care about what you can teach them, and they're willing to pay you, not a school. This isn't about becoming an influencer. It's about knowing how to do something and to be able to explain it clearly. And just a side note, I also told my sister, she owns a care home, and I told her to start creating ebooks and helping other people who may have the same business that she has, teaching people how to fill out a certain application if they can't afford a care home, just all kind of things to help educate people who cannot stay at her home. So that's just an example. So what will grow? by 2030. Micro courses, $29 guides and specialty workshops, paid newsletters and niche coaching, DIY templates, voiceover packs, and beginner kits. Platforms like Gumroad, Teachable, Notion, and Kajabi is dominating. So what are you able to do right now? Choose something simple that you're great at: organizing, budgeting, editing. For my sister, for example, her care home, taking care of the elderly. And I want you to break that into 3 to 5 steps. Next, turn it into a digital download or a 30-minute course. Use Canva to design it, Loom to record it. Start small, sell it to 10 people, refine it, and repeat. All right, now it's time for number 1, AI integration and process specialist, automation, setup, prompt writing, workflow design. And that is something that I personally do, and I love doing it. I've been doing it for my business for a while, for other businesses, without even knowing that I was doing exactly this. But I love doing workflow automations for companies. Love it. So this category is the highest projected demand, and people are already starting it right now. Small business owners, coaches, content creators, real estate agents, none of them want to learn ChatGPT, Zapier, or Notion automations, but I'll do it for them, especially when it comes to Zapier. So what would this look like in 2030? What's going to happen is there are going to be AI assistants managing inboxes, content, and also scheduling, contractors managing AI-driven processes, and new job titles like AI prompt creator or workflow designer. Companies building lean teams powered by a few sharp tech freelancers. So what can you start doing right now if this is something you want to do? Start by getting familiar with ChatGPT or Gemini, or both, and understand how to link tools with Zapier or Make. Personally, I recommend Zapier. Pick a niche: real estate, beauty, coaching, and focus on helping those people. Build before and after cases: before 2 hours a day, after 10 minutes with AI. Market yourself as someone who makes tech feel easy for non-tech people. All right, so that was 5 very different industries and 5 clear ways to start building your contract career now. You don't need to go viral. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start with what you know already and stay adaptable, because 5 years from now, it won't be about who's the most experienced. It'll be about who moved first. All right, guys, if this video has helped you, please don't forget to like this video, as it helps my channel grow, and comment below as well. And then also, if you would like to continue seeing more videos from me, please subscribe to learn more about tech, even if you're not tech savvy, and to also just be a part of my journey. All right, guys, thanks for watching.